All right, well, welcome back. So today we're looking at digital publishing. Now, digital publishing is also called information marketing. So I might use the word interchangeably: information marketing, digital marketing. So how do you make money online using information marketing? You're welcome back to my channel. In case this is your first time here, my name is Emmanuel Michelia, and then I make videos on opportunities and how to make money online. So opportunities, digital opportunities, that's what I make videos about. And then subsequently, I also start making videos on things I've experimented and has worked for me, and I'll show you results so that you too can get similar results. So let's jump right into it. Digital publishing. What exactly is digital publishing? So from the word publishing, has to do with probably writing books or things like that. Now, digital publishing, or probably let me go with the more popular name, information marketing, is all about selling information. And you can sell this information in different modes. It can be in text format, which means you could sell it in form of ebooks, write-ups, and things like that in text format. It could be in a video format, having a course that you sell, or making videos like this in a way that you could use them to also generate income, selling what you know, selling a particular information, selling your knowledge. So it could be in video format. It could also be probably if you're camera shy and you're also lazy to write, pardon me using that word, but if you don't like writing and you're camera shy, you don't want to show your face on camera, you could also sell information in form of audio. So that means you could you could speak and then you sell your voice in form of audio format. So digital publishing or information marketing comes in various formats, and it's it's not difficult to do. There is something you know how to do very well, you're good at, and there are people that don't know how to do that or want to learn how to do that. So it's simple. Package that information and sell it. Just look for it, give it a very good title, market it properly, and sell it. That's all what information marketing is. It could be that you're a very good cook. You could cook some local foods and this. You can arrange those recipes and then sell it. It could be you're a good counselor. You have a way of counseling people about probably relationship, about finance, about health, or things like that. It could even be you have information. Maybe you grew up, okay, so let's put this scenario. Maybe you grew up in the village with your grandparents, and maybe your grandparents have taught you about some herbs that cure major ailments, and you've tried them and you know the efficacy and you know they work. This is a very good information that you can package and sell. A lot of people need some maybe herbal remedies or simple cures that can cure some major ailments, and you have this information and you're just hoarding that information or keeping it to yourself, and then you're lamenting that you don't have cash when you are sitting on a gold mine. All you need to do is package that information properly and sell it. And the good thing about information marketing is that you work once and then you keep earning from it. So let's take, for instance, all I need to do is probably do this video once, and then even if I'm going to share it on how many platforms, I've just done the video once. The work is once. So if you're also writing a book or creating a course or something like that, all you need to do is you're going to do it once, and after that, all you're doing is selling it in different platforms, promoting to different people, and you keep making money over and over and over again on that same single one effort. All other expenses might just come from promoting, the cost of promoting it on different platforms maybe. So let me give an example. Like back in the days, probably when you went to school or in some high institutions, and then some lecturers in those days sell handouts or booklets. They've only written that once, and probably what some of them did was take it to a business center and photocopy many copies and sell for you. So the cost is only the cost of photocopying that material into different copies and then selling it to different students. But they only sat down once to write out that material. But the good thing about doing it online is the fact that you're producing it once, and once you host it somewhere online, you keep it somewhere online, even if people are downloading it, 1,000 people are downloading it, your cost is only once. If people are watching your video 1,000 times, it doesn't cost you much more data than what you've used in hosting it once or keeping it wherever you kept it where people can access it. So think about that. Digital publishing is a gold mine. It's a way where, it's one of the avenues where people make a killing online. All you just need to do is get something that is, how do I put it? I don't want to use the word important or special, because whatever you think about, there are people that want to learn about something, no matter how simple it is. Some things might look so simple or so easy to you, and you think, who would pay for this information? Who would buy this information? But you will be so surprised that that thing that comes easy to you might not come easy to other people. That thing that comes so simple to you might not come so simple to other people, and they want to learn how to do it. Maybe it's you're even good at cooking. There are a lot of people that don't know how to cook, and they want to learn. So something as simple as that, something as simple as probably even how to arrange your closet, how to keep things in order, how to follow normal routine of doing things, how to set goals. You would just be amazed. All you just need to do is make your research properly. Okay, so a simple way to start. Let me go this way. Simple way to start. Sometimes one of the simplest ways to start is check out what problems do you have. Some simple problems that you have. You can look at that problem, try and get the solution for that problem, and once you get the solution and it has worked for you, that's something that, because I can bet you, that problem is not unique to you alone. There are a lot of other people that are also suffering from that problem and would love to get a solution to it. And if you have gotten the solution and it has worked for you, then that's good, because that's both a testimony for you and it's also a solution for other people. So package that information and deliver it to other people. So I hope you take this little lesson and then start right away. I'll be looking forward to your questions, comments, and likes about this. And if you found this video helpful, please share it among your friends, colleagues, and everybody. Tell them what's happening over here, and then we'll grow together. Next week, I'm going to come your way with another special edition of something that can easily generate you money online. See ya, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you next week.